Is autoplay playback for next videos not working properly on the YouTube app? If the next video doesn't start automatically after the current video ends, or autoplay keeps turning off, these troubleshooting steps may help. In this video, I will show you how to fix autoplay playback next videos on YouTube app. The first thing you have to do is to go to YouTube. Then here in this page, you will go to profile. After that, you will move to settings. Then here in this page of settings, you will scrolling down until you find playback. You will tap here. And then in this page, you will find autoplay next video, and you will tap here to enable this feature and to fix this problem. So this is how it works. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time, and thank you for your watching and your attention.